Nerd boy. Yo. Two brothers from two different worlds got too many problems with two different girls. One is a nerd, he got away with words. The other is a brother who was raised in the burbs. They used to butt heads like Beavis, then they both got cool like breezes. African-American dreamers got juice and became two leaders. What you know about an HBCU? If you don't stand out, it can't see you. But this CU, Carter University, no more house, so I doubt you ever heard of me. And I don't really talk a lot of ish. You got loans, well, I'm on scholarship, and that's the definition of a full ride. And I just met my bride at poolside. Well, I'm tripping, not walking. Falling in love too often. Exhausted, tired like car wheels. Just met her, yet I'm doing cartwheels. Man, I gotta get my swag back. This is serious, no laugh track. It happened way too often. No girlfriend, we just talking. Yeah, that's right. We're just talking. Pick 6. Nerd boy. We out.